Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Ariel Carrillo and this day I am going to talk to how make a very delicious dish. In this case, I talk of chicken with poblano cream. Come on! We will to need our list of ingredients. In this case, I need to 1 piece of boneless breast of chicken, 3 cups of water, and medium can of evaporate milk, 1 spoon of chicken flavor bouillon, 1 spoon of the corn starch, 1 can of corn, and the ingredient very important, 2 or 3 poblano peppers. Come on. First, the boneless breast of chicken, have to cook it with 5 cups of water and add 1 pinch of salt in the pan for 1 hour. Meanwhile, the poblano peppers are roasted to over medium heat in the stove. Well, the spoon of butter is put in the pan. Then the poblano peppers are added here. The spoon of onion powder is sprinkled above the pan. One roasts the poblano peppers. Medium can of evaporate milk. A spoon of corn starch. And cup of chicken flavor bouillon are blended in the blender. Now the mixture is cooked in the pan to savor. The can of corn is put in the pan with the mixture. While the mixture is scrambled for 5 minutes. After an hour, the boneless breast of chicken is crumbled in small strips. Finally, the chicken strips are put on the dish. Then the cream poblano are poured above them.